Alright, doing the simulated shoulder shot using the 7.62x3.9. These are Winchester HOG specials, 123 grain. We're at about 50 yards. Got our new and improved internal ballistics gel simulation with muscle simulation as well, shoulder blade pads. Alright, here you go. If you're wondering, we're baiting this spot. There we go. We have the entrance. Very nice. Another little crater coming out from the blowback. Nice little hole going in. Put that to the side. We have totally obliterated. Nice little hole here. Right there, that's the exit going out. There's your entrance in the clay. So the bullet is going to have to be surgically removed. Don't worry, we have our surgical staff here. Mr. Coconut, the cantaloupe, will let us borrow his team because we have to keep them on site for him. So here you go. Yeah, just right there, just under the. That would be just under the skin. So when you're skinning them, you'd come across, you'd hit your knife, you'd dull your blade, you'd cuss, son of a bitch. Exactly in that order. Here we go. This is 7.62x3.9 shoulder shot simulation. That's what the bullet looks like. Got something walking up on me. That's what the bullet looks like. And this is the damage it caused. That's the entry wound. If you go rim to rim, all the way out. Whoops. Something like that. 0.129. And it actually split our board. So let me put it back together. There you go. Let's see what we got. 0.55. 0.55. So that's a nice little hole it's going. Here we go. Because it would be coming in. Nice little slap after it went through our little mix of internal ballistic gel. Definitely rim to rim. 0.64, or if you go that way, it's actually less. And we got the bullet lodged in. This would have been the backside. Boom. This would be the muscle. When you're skinning, you would have found the bullet and been like, hey, I found the bullet. And there, you look at that. So that would be bone fragment going through, ripping up that bone. As it comes through, you see the little shards in there. We got 0.47. 0.47 on a, you go on a 0.3. So we opened up to a 0.45, roughly. 4.5, 4.6, 4.7. Again, this is not going to be, it's going to have some added weight to it, but out of 123 grains, what is sitting there is 82.6. Yep, 82.6 left out of 123, so that is not bad going through all that. I mean, granted, it still has some, so I mean, you're still at 70, probably 75 grain at least. So there we go.